Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to work on Fiverr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys, once you are right here, is log into your account or create a new account. If you create a new account, you're gonna be right here. So they will tell you this, your account has been created, what brings you to Fiverr. So you need to choose if you want buying freelance services or selling freelance services. So basically guys, if you just want to work on Fiverr, you need to select selling freelance services. If you want to buy from Fiverr, you need to select buying freelance services. You can also select both if you're gonna do both. So I'm gonna select both and then click on next. Then they're gonna ask you, what do you plan to use Fiverr for? My primary job or business, a side project or business, or personal use. So I'm gonna choose my primary job or business and then click next. Then they're gonna ask you how many people work at your company. So you can choose just me, 2 to 10, 11 to 50, 51 to 500, or more than 500. So I'm going to choose just me and then click on next. What are you looking for today? You can choose if you want to start a project, a specific service, or just exploring. So, for example, I'm going to click on just exploring and then click on finish. And then they're gonna tell you, welcome to Fiverr. We can't wait to see what you get. So go ahead and click on start exploring, and then you're gonna get access to Fiverr. And now you can also work on Fiverr. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.